Good morning, reporting live from Oriental Rug Care, where we do a lot of rug cleaning and repair. As you can see, we just finished a morning rush here. A ton of rugs that just came in. But what I wanted to show you is this, a wonderful reweaving. What we did again for new fringes. And this one over here, if you love antique rugs, this is an antique Nichols rug that was very popular in for World War I, and now we call it Art Deco piece, and we're refringing it, and it's going to be absolutely exquisite. We love to do repairs, cleaning, restoration, you name it. Oriental Rug Care. Give us a call.